Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley from Bargain Bug, and today I'm bringing you a really exciting video because it's really exciting to me. You probably already know by the title, but it's a FabFitFun unboxing. I'm sure you've probably already seen these already, but I have not seen any unboxings this month, I don't think, or this season, I guess you should say. And this is the first box I've ever received. I'm really excited about it. And I got it half off, so it was only like $25, and I can put the link and I think the code that I used down below, but there's so many codes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I had another video that I wanted to film, but I filmed this one first, or I'm filming this now because I'm so excited about it. And I literally just got it from the mail, and I just got back from class and I immediately sat down to film it. So also, sorry the angle is not like, ideal. This is like a work in progress right now. I'm using my phone still instead of my camera because I don't have all my tripod and everything. And also it's just easier for me right now. And sorry about my mess. That's, on my desk you can kind of see, but you can kind of see my quotes there. So I'm just gonna open this and get started. I'm so excited I didn't even think to pre-open this. So opening it up. Wow, this is so cute. Okay, so first glance, let's see if I can lift this up and not drop everything. So the inside of the box, and then it's got the FabFitFun magazine, which I will totally look through later. But here's this, and it's just got a ton of different information, and I think it talks about the products inside. I think I remember hearing that from a different video I've watched about FabFitFun. Ooh. I've always wanted to try HelloFresh. This is America's #1 meal kit, $80 gift card, $20 off your first 4 deliveries, plus free shipping. So that seems pretty dang nice. So maybe I shouldn't show the code. Don't know if it's like a one-time thing, but I don't know how much it is. It seems like a really good deal, and free shipping. So I'll definitely look into that more. Friends send FabFitFun. Get started with $15 off your first box. So pretty similar to what I got. I think I got $20 off. So really exciting. And then, so under here, it's got it's wrapped in the plastic, and then it's got a little sticker. It's gonna rip the card in half. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Some things that I like. So when you go on there, you're able to pick some things, and then other things it just comes with it. So I didn't know exactly what I was gonna get, but I am so excited. So let's just hop right into this. I accidentally had to adjust my camera, so it might be a little bit of a different angle, but I'm just gonna start out with what's on top. So this is the Humankind Body Souffle, vegan and cruelty free. And it doesn't say what scent. That's what I was trying to find, but it doesn't say what scent. And it is plastic wrapped, so yeah, I cannot open that without undoing the plastic, but it says. Anyways, I like that it's a full-size product, and any sort of thing that I've seen or bought before, it's never full-size, so this is a full-size, and I've really been needing a moisturizing lotion. Especially right now, it's starting to get colder. I've been washing my hands a lot more, washing them 24/7 since I've been in elementary school a lot, every day, and my hands have been really dry, so I've been looking for a good lotion, so hopefully this is good. And then next, I might re-gift this. I'm not really big into makeup, I don't use a ton of makeup. This is the Trestique Mini Eye Essentials. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. So there's a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, another shadow crayon, and an eye pencil. And so there's the mini brow pencil is in Americano, the mini shadow crayon is in the Morimoto Pink Pearl, the other shadow crayon is in Kona Coffee, and then the last eye pencil is in Santorini Black Sand. So like I said, I'm not really big. Oh my gosh. I hope that was all in focus while I was talking. If not, I'm sorry. But I'm not really into makeup, so I might re-gift this for Christmas or something. But yeah, so there was that. And then this, which I'm really excited about. I tried not to peek on the other products, but I've definitely seen them. And then ever since I've ordered, I keep getting FabFitFun advertisements. So this is the Aveda, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, damage ready daily hair repair. So instantly visible repair, protects from heat styling, and it's a leave-in treatment. So yeah, that seems really nice. My hair can always use some good protection, and it looks like it's a heat styling protectant, so if I was going to straighten my hair, I could put it in. And yeah, anything that will repair my hair. And again, I like that it's a full size, it's a big tube. And I definitely think that I will enjoy this. So there's that. I'm like just piling things off to the side here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. I was able to pick this one. Let me pull it out of the packaging. Okay, so I don't think I've ever owned anything Kate Spade in my life. It's too fancy, too expensive for me, but this is a little lunch pack, and on it says out to lunch. I think that is so cute. It's like a Kate Spade pack in there. I definitely don't think this is going to be big enough for my lunch, but I definitely think I could take like my drinks in it, or like snacks or something, maybe like for a field trip, or I find that when I'm in the classroom, I like to pack like way extra snacks than I need, and I will have extra, and that's fine, and you can see that in my upcoming lunch video, because then I can just take them back and then pack them the next day, or keep them in the classroom, or whatever it is. When I go to my classes at school, at my college, I find that I just need lunch. I don't want to be carrying around that extra to multiple classes and stuff like that, so I just pack in like a sandwich and a bag of chips, or you know, whatever. I'm just thinking of something off the top of my head. So this would be perfect for that, or for snacks, or like if I was going on a field trip, or you know, something like that where I just need a smaller size. And it's a different size than I've had before, so I'm really excited about that, and I like this better than the other options. I wonder if I could see in here. Yes, so the other options were detox pads, or let's see, so there was either the lunch tote, a detox cleaning pads, or a wallet, or a twine cheese board. So a lot of the other options, what was the, oh man. So it's either like the wallet, or the cheese board, or the cleaning pads. And yeah, I just didn't want those other options, so I was really excited to get this, and it will definitely be useful for me because I'm trying to get things that are useful. And Kate Spade is pretty expensive normally, so I'm betting this was pretty close to the price I paid. Not that I would ever spend $25 on a lunchbox, but okay, so let's get the plastic out of here. I got these, which these are really cute. These are the Bubble Bar ear crawlers, and as I am trying to dress more professionally, I feel like jewelry just kind of amps it to the next level. The only issue with me is because I do have such long hair, I feel like I have to have my hair back to have an earring, but when I do have my hair back, I feel like an earring really adds that element of professionalism and dressiness. So I've never owned a pair of ear crawlers before, and I really don't own a lot of like adult jewelry. I have a lot of jewelry that I've gotten rid of over the years from like teenagers, from like Claire's and stuff, that just isn't as professional. So I'm trying to up my collection but not spend so much money. Like $20 on a pair of earrings is just too much for my budget right now. Okay, moving on. I just feel like I'm getting so much stuff for my money, so I'm really excited about it. Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes, and these are in the Juice Cleanse scent, I guess you would say. I think this is gonna be interesting. I don't really know how it's gonna work. It says take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. Recommended usage twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering, for body only. So, ooh, I expected that to not smell very good, but it smells really good. Okay, I really like the scent of that. There's not a whole lot of cubes in here, but I really like using exfoliating things after I shave my legs, because my legs feel really soft then, and then I just use it on the rest of my body when I do that. And yeah, I don't know, I've never used a cube before, so I don't know like how hard this is gonna be. I've only ever used like like a pot of the scrub, if that makes sense. So you just like scoop some out with your hands. But interested to try this out. Really excited about that. And then there's a ton of paper in here. So let's get down. Okay. So this is the Wander Beauty. I think that's what that is, Wander Beauty. And this is the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And then this is like showing a little visual of what it is. I have never used an eye mask before either, so I'm really excited about that. I've only ever used like full face masks, but I definitely think that it'll be useful like when I'm tired. And I've never used like the gold either, so, but I've definitely felt, I don't get like bags under my eyes, or at least I haven't yet really, but I feel like I might develop that soon because I feel like I'm not going to be sleeping as much and be getting a lot more stressed out as the school year goes on. So, and there's 6 pairs in here. I feel like that's a really good deal. And then I think last but not least, I'm pretty sure this is the last thing. There's a lot of this and there's some cardboard in here. Yep. Okay. So, last but certainly not least is this Plush Stay Warm and Stylish Extra Soft Plaid Scarf. So I'm assuming Plush is the brand, and this is a really cute plaid. I'm gonna move this box out of my lap. I'm trying to decide what, I think this is a navy with maybe some little darker colors in there. And as you can tell by what I'm wearing, I'm not a fan of, or I'm not afraid of plaid, and I'm definitely a fan. And I'm a huge fan of scarves. I personally really like infinity scarves. But this looks like it's going to be so massive and just like nice and cuddly and cozy. And I really think that I can like dress this up and wear it in my class, and have it like look professional but still cute. I just won't pair it with another plaid shirt, which I typically don't wear plaid in the classroom because I feel like it's not as professional. Or I don't know, maybe I'll warm up to it as the year goes on, but I'm trying to be like my best looking, like most professional at the start of the school year at the very least. Make a good impression, you know? So I got this, and that is everything. I will show you the box. So it's empty. Just dropped it. But there was a little piece of cardboard in the bottom that held everything up, so it looks like they could have filled the box a little bit more, but I think that's because some of the other items could fill up the box more. Like I know there was like the option for a hair straightener, although it was sold out when I went to do it, and then there was also the option for a cheese board, which would fill it up more. And then also I think there was an option for like a yoga mat or something, which I don't know how it would fit in there, but I already have my own yoga mat. So anyways, that's my haul. That's my FabFitFun unboxing. I am so excited to try these products, and I think this is honestly pretty perfect for a student teacher as far as like cute and fun and self-care items. That's something that I've heard is a really big thing that we need to focus on for our student teaching year, and teachers in general, and need to learn how to do that. And I think $80 off from HelloFresh is amazing, and I think that that's something that would be amazing to try. I'm going to be trying out an Every Plate box, which is a food delivery service, and I will let you know how that goes. I'm hopefully going to be filming a video on that. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I am so excited about this. Again, I'll leave the links down below. I don't really think I get anything from it, but I'm really excited about it. And yeah, so I'll leave a link and any codes that I know of or have seen down below. If you do want to try it out, the first time you get it, you get half off, and then every time after that is, so it's $50 subscription service, or $50 per season. And yeah, I'm not sure that I'm going to continue it just because I don't know that I can afford it during my student teaching year. I think that there's some other things that I could be spending my money on, but I thought for $25 I just couldn't pass it up, and fall is my favorite season, and like the scarf and the sugar scrub, and I just think it's a good deal. when it's all bundled together, and I'm really excited about it. I am in no way sponsored by this. I haven't, if I didn't mention that already. No way sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Like, I got to choose my own items and everything, so it wasn't like I'm just making a video because I wanted to show my opinion from my point of view and from a student teacher's point of view. And yeah, so so that's what I got, and I'm really excited about it. And I can't really say much more about them. So anyways, so thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below any video suggestions you have, any student teaching things, and any, just, you know, say hello. Leave me comments. I like to reply to them. So have a good day. Bye.